In a world filled with mass-produced decor, there's something special about handmade wooden art that adds warmth and character to any room. Wood is a versatile medium, allowing artists and crafters to express their individuality while connecting with nature. In Wooden Wonders, we delve into the art of crafting with wood, offering projects that range from simple and approachable to more complex designs that challenge your skills. This collection not only highlights the aesthetic appeal of wooden art, but also emphasizes the joy of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Join us on this creative journey and discover how to turn ordinary wood into extraordinary works of art. Wooden Wonders. Art and craft projects for your walls is a celebration of creativity and craftsmanship that invites you to explore the enchanting world of wooden art. This guide offers a diverse array of projects designed to transform ordinary pieces of wood into emotional connection to handmade art is a central theme throughout. From rustic signs that evoke a sense of nostalgia dominated by to intricate wall hangings, the tactile experience of crafting something with your own hands is crafted to inspire and empower you to express your unique style. Each wooden piece tells a story. As you delve into these reflecting the time and effort, you'll discover the beauty of working. This guide emphasizes the therapeutic benefits of crafting space, encouraging you to immerse yourself in the process as a form of self-care and mindfulness. The resulting art not only beautifies your space, but also serves as a reminder of your creativity and dedication. At the heart of this collection is the idea that crafting with wood can be both accessible and rewarding. The guide caters to all skill levels, providing step-by-step instructions and helpful tips that ensure success. Whether you are a seasoned artisan or a beginner, just starting your crafting journey. With projects ranging from simple to more complex, readers are encouraged to choose their own path, experimenting with different techniques and styles. This flexibility allows each individual to cultivate their skills while creating pieces that resonate personally with their aesthetic. As you embark on your crafting adventures with Wooden Wonders, art and craft projects for your walls, remember that each piece you create tells a story. Embrace the process, experiment with different techniques, and let your imagination guide you. Whether you choose to decorate your home or gift your creations to loved ones, the satisfaction of crafting something unique and personal is unmatched. We hope this guide inspires you to unleash your creativity and fill your walls with the warmth and beauty of handcrafted wooden art. Happy crafting,